Have you ever been stuck with an error message that just won't go away? It's frustrating, especially when you're sure you've done everything right. If you're facing the module not found error in React.js, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. You might feel like you're losing your mind checking for typos over and over again. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced this exact issue, and it can be a real headache. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user reached out saying, "I can't resolve the module in React.js." They provided their component code and mentioned that they checked the file path multiple times. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this module not found error? It often boils down to incorrect file paths, case sensitivity issues, or even missing exports. We'll break it down step by step to help you pinpoint the problem. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of time and frustration in the future. First, the user should check the import path for the header component. The error message indicates that React cannot find the module at the specified location. Next, the user should confirm that the header component file is named correctly. The file should be named header.js and located in the header folder. The user should also verify that the header component is exported correctly. It should use the export default syntax to ensure it can be imported without issues. Finally, the user should check for any typos in the component's JSX. For example, ensure that the component is rendered correctly in the app component. Fun fact, did you know that React was developed by Facebook and is now one of the most popular libraries for building user interfaces? It's amazing how far we've come in web development. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user faced a similar issue and found that the problem was related to the import path. They discovered that adding a dot and a / before the components directory resolved the error. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. One user found a solution by adding the file extension to their import statement. Instead of just importing the component, they specified the file type, which resolved the module not found error. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution from another user suggests trying to execute the command npm install in your app folder. They found that this action resolved the issue for them. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One user faced a similar issue and found a solution by changing the port of their React app. They initially tried various options, but nothing worked until they modified the port setting in the package.json file. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests changing the import statement for the header component. Instead of importing from a component /header/header, they recommend using Zo to go up one directory level, making it import header from /component/header/header. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your file paths organized and consistent. This simple habit can save you from countless headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the module not found error in React.js. Remember, keeping your code organized is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.